Such a great year for Ortho.i. We launched our new educational system, now 100% powered by artificial intelligence. Our first product, Ortho.i Sprint, the doctors love it. We choose the Brazilian market and we launched this new training. It's a 3 days immersive, combine technology, purpose, orthodontics, and artificial intelligence. All the doctors approve. Actually, they didn't like it. They love it. It was a great experience. They share great testimonials. And we are so happy to hear that, yes, doctors can learn, that we can onboard new technology in a different way, in a great way. When they enjoy studying, we really appreciate it. And we are super excited with this incredible launch that we had. But now we are launching our second product and we are super excited as well. People are loving. So stay tuned. We are gonna keep sharing more information about this new product here. And just a quick reminder that we have a few spots available for our Ortho.i Sprint in Mexico. We'll be in Tulum. We have a few spots available. So if you want to enjoy and learn artificial intelligence, orthodontics, clear aligners, of course, the official language on this event will be in Spanish. So we are expanding to the United States, also Mexico. So we are super excited for this new moment. Stay tuned that we're gonna share a lot more about this new product in the next few weeks.